Today we're going to freeze dry an entire load of bananas. They make such a great treat for the kids. They're higher calorie than a lot of the snack foods, so a little bit can go a longer way. And they come out crispy, like a cracker or a chip, but thicker. Very tasty. I bought several bunches of bananas a few days ago, and then I just let them get ripe. Then just peel them all and get rid of any of the bruises or ugly spots or those little nasty ends before slicing or while you slice. Some people freeze dry their bananas whole, and you would save a lot of room that way, but I kind of like just the bite-sized pieces because once they're freeze dried, they don't really cut so well. They're more like crumbly. They will start to brown a little bit as you're getting them all cut, but they don't taste any different. All of the trays are loaded and ready to put into the freeze dryer. This was about 4.5, 5 bunches of bananas. Some of the bananas were quite large, so I don't know how many you would need to buy to fill your freeze dryer. Just depend on the size of the banana. It's truly not hard to get these trays in. My attention was just drawn to 2 different places. Anyways, let's get this baby started. Compost your peels. They are all done. We did set them for a few more times to dry longer because nobody was able to deal with them. But it is time now, and they are nice and dry. I like to taste one just to make sure the inside is not cold, and they're perfect, nice and crunchy. And this batch does seem extra sweet, and I don't know if it's because I ripened the bananas more than normal, but I think next time I won't let them get quite as ripe. I'm going to cap off these jars with these leak-proof lids. They're fantastic. I'll link them below if you're interested, along with the freeze dryer. The rest of them I'm putting in these Ziploc bags until I get some more jars out. If you are trying to fill Ziplocs with anything by yourself, these little doodads, I don't know what they're called, but they have these little arms that stand up and hold your bag. They work so well. It's like having an extra little pair of hands there. Final product, 3-quart bags in a pint jar.